Hey everyone. Okay, so today we're going to see what I got in the mail from Gurneys. So stay tuned and we'll see what's in the big box. The big box. Alright guys, so I ordered some stuff from Gurneys. It came in the mail a couple days ago. Well, let's open it up. Alright, so it looks like on top we have a Grow It guide. So that's pretty cool. We have some urgent must-read plant cap. So I'll have to give that a read as well. Looks like a gift certificate for gardening. So I guess it's a QR code I can use. That's pretty cool. The bell. Right here. So it was a total of... So this is $166.66. I am waiting on one product, which is on back order right now, which is that one down there. So I will show you that one when that one comes in. So up first are my grow tubs. These I've heard amazing things about. They are 10 gallons. My bad. 10 gallons. They were supposed to be 7 gallons. Or I may have read it wrong. I don't remember. But they are 10-gallon grow tubs. And basically what this is a little tiny, or in that case it's a big pot. But they're a fabric pot. These ones are flower pots or transplanting pots. These are, let's see, there's 6 containers, so there's 12 each. They are 4 by 4 by 4. So 4 inches wide, 4 inches tall, 4 inches deep. So these ones are really nice. I'll open this here in a little bit. I got this little guy here. It is the rapid test. It is supposed to be a 4-way analyzer. So you can do moisture, light, fertilizer, pH. I think that's it, really. Yeah. pH, moisture, light, fertilizer. Yeah, that's 4. Sorry, I can't count. I've been at work all day. So I got this one. It was like $50, so I'm not 100% on how good it is and everything like that. But I wanted to give it a try to see if it would help anything with my garden. These little doodads here are filters for what's in this box. There's 4 of them. And the bags that are on back order go to what's in this box as well. Sorry, they got little things on the sides. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot I got these. Okay, these are dark rodent lettuce. They are supposed to be like blood red lettuce. So if you ever get lettuce at the store that kind of has that browny, purpley red look, that is what those are. And these ones are called red velvet. And these ones are supposed to be the brighter version of those. And I like the dark lettuces. They have a really nice kind of almost nutty flavor to them, so I enjoy that a lot. Okay. I don't know what is up. I don't know what is down, so let's get the box out of the way. I'm assuming this side is up because there's a sticker down there. Okay, so this is my composting crop. Where's the knife? I need a sharp thingy to stab it. Oh. Sorry, I don't have you guys on a tripod, so up close and personal with tape. Don't do this at home. For little kids who are watching, I'm going to help you. And those who are stubborn, like me, have another person. Safety first. Okay. There we go. Oh, it comes with a filter. How about that? That is so nice. Put these out. There's the lid. That's where the filters go. Pretty. And assuming I don't sneeze. Oh, goodness. And then this is, I love how they use like one piece of tissue paper. This is the little crocket. It should hold about a gallon when full. Get fuzzies out of there. Alright. I'll get them out later. So, but yeah, it should hold a gallon when full. It looks kind of like a Roman style pillar, which is really nice. So it's a ceramic, basically compost trash can, if you will, or called a composting crock. So basically you just pop your little filters in here, you squish them in there, so you just stick it there and boop, in they go. You just whip it around. And then there's these disposable bags, which are on back order for me right now, because they didn't have them. And then you put those in there, and then you put that on top. And you can make this sit on your kitchen counter. So while you're doing your prep work, you can toss everything in here. So you just have this off and just throw it in there. If you don't want the disposable bags, which are biodegradable, and you can leave them in your compost pile, you don't have to use them. You're just going to clean that more. But yes, that is everything I got. But like promised, I will show you these little bags, aka pots. Okay, so here's one of those. Here's one of the small ones. I'm going to open them for you guys. So once you put dirt in here, it's going to sit a lot better. So there we go. So yeah, it's not very big. They're completely black. They are completely fabric as well. So if you have these indoors, they will leak. You need something underneath them to catch the extra water. But they're not very big for the small ones because those are supposed to be like transplanting or like small plants. These are the idea of starter pots. So you put the plant in here until it gets big enough, and then once it's big enough, you put it in the ground or wherever it's going, or in most cases, like in one of these. So these are for bigger plants, or to have a portable garden area. Don't eat plastic, kids. Okay, so this is the 10 gallon. Let me see if I can get it over. Cha. Alright. No, the cha did not work. Okay, here we go. Get the bottom down there. Okay, so when it's empty, it looks kind of like a purse. And when you put this in, the dirt in here, it'll fill it out. You have this big, big space in there. And these are 10 gallons, so they are 13 1/4, or 13 1/4 by 13 1/4 by 14 1/2. So that's what you got there. But what's great about these is if you have plants like potatoes or anything like that, what you can do is you can roll the edges down and start the plant small And then as the plant gets bigger and needs more dirt, you can roll it back up and then add more dirt as you go. So that way you don't have to worry about it. But you can plant anything in there. If you wanted, you could probably plant like a small tree or something. But yes, that is everything I got in my Gurneys. I don't want this to be super long. I will give you guys an update on the garden soon if I can. I have a sad thing happen. Actually, a couple sad things happen. So I will try to make a video for you guys soon. It might be, by the time you guys might see this, it might be way after the whole issue, because my husband's helping me do my videos and he's like super swamped with all the videos that he has to do, plus what I have to do, plus our jobs. So patience for my channel, because his channel comes first. He's super close to being monetized, so I'm super excited for that. And if you guys want, you guys could check his channel out. It's Antonio Claudio Michael, and he does automotive, he does electronics, he does like all sorts of things, lots of tool deals, stuff like that. As you can tell, lots and lots of tools. And he's really supportive of me, so he really helps. Like when we got my garden stuff, he did it on his channel trying to support me. So I thought that was really sweet of him. But yeah, just go check him out. It's Antonio Claudio Michael for his YouTube, Instagram, and yeah, YouTube and Instagram I think is the only one things he uses. But thanks you guys for getting this far into the video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, any other feature that's possible on here still. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!